Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. K English Channel.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
I'm Kay.
I'm Bunie.
How are you today?
Are you tired or fresh?
I feel a little sleepy, but I feel good.
Same. It is morning. My brain is still waking up.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Comment one sentence for practice. Write, I wake up at blank and I blank.
Easy. One sentence. You can do it.
Today, we will talk about your morning routine in English.
Simple English, real-life English.
After this video, you can speak your morning routine in 30 seconds.
Stay to the end. We will give you a simple copy-paste morning script.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's begin right from bed.
Good morning, Bunie.
Good morning, Kay.
What time is it?
It is... wait, let me check. It's 6:20.
6:20 already?
Yes, I feel sleepy.
Me too. I want 5 more minutes.
Same. Just 5 more minutes.
Quick question for you. Choose one. Early or late?
Late. I feel late today.
I feel late too.
My alarm was loud.
My alarm was loud too. It was like, wake up!
I turned it off fast.
Did you snooze?
Yes, I snoozed 2 times.
Oh no, that is dangerous.
I know, but the bed is warm.
The bed is very warm.
And the room is cold.
Okay, let's get up slowly.
Okay, I will sit up.
I will stretch.
I will stretch too.
My back feels tight.
My legs feel tired.
I need to wake up my body.
I need to wake up my brain.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone.
Be honest. Me too.
I check the time. I check messages.
I check the weather.
I check the weather too. Is it cold today?
Let's see. It is a little cold.
Then I need a jacket.
Same.
My alarm was loud.
I want to open the curtains.
Do it. Wow, it is bright outside.
Nice. The sun is out.
That helps.
Yes, sunlight wakes you up.
I feel a little better now.
Okay, one more quick choice. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Same. Coffee.
But first, bathroom.
Yes, bathroom first.
Let's go.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom too.
I wash my hands.
I wash my face.
The water is cold.
Oh no, cold water.
I don't like cold water in the morning.
Me neither. I want warm water.
I wait for warm water.
I wait too.
Quick choice again. Cold water or warm water?
Warm water. Always warm water.
Warm water, yes.
Okay, I brush my teeth now.
Me too.
I use toothpaste.
I brush slowly.
I brush fast because I'm in a hurry.
Don't rush too much.
I know, but I feel late.
Okay, brush, then rinse.
Yes, I rinse my mouth.
I rinse too.
I feel fresh now.
Great, I like that sentence.
I feel fresh now.
Simple and useful. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Sometimes.
I take a shower every morning.
Really?
Yes, it helps me wake up.
I take a quick shower when I have time.
Today we have time?
We have a little time, but not much.
Okay, quick shower.
Can I go first?
Sure, you can go first.
Thank you. I will be quick.
No problem.
Okay, I'm done.
That was fast.
Very fast.
My turn.
Don't forget shampoo.
I won't. The water is warm now.
Good.
I use soap.
I use soap too.
I wash my hair.
I wash my hair last.
I like a quick shower.
Me too.
Okay, I'm done.
Great.
Now hair.
My hair is messy.
My hair is messy too.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair too.
I tie my hair.
I dry my hair.
I use a hair clip.
Nice.
Okay, now clothes.
Yes, let's get dressed. I take off my pajamas.
I take off my pajamas too.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I choose my outfit.
I don't know what to wear.
That sentence is so common.
Yes, I don't know what to wear today.
What do you need today? Comfortable or nice?
Comfortable.
Comfortable is good.
I want simple clothes today.
Me too. Quick choice. Simple or stylish?
Simple.
Simple.
I put on a shirt.
I put on a shirt too.
I put on pants.
I put on pants.
I put on socks.
I put on socks.
I put on shoes.
I put on shoes.
My shoes are tight today.
Oh no.
These shoes are tight today.
Maybe wear different shoes.
I don't have time.
Okay, then walk carefully.
I will.
Do you need a jacket?
Yes, it is cold today.
I need a jacket too.
I will take my jacket.
I will take my jacket.
Are you ready?
Almost. I need to pack my bag.
Me too.
Okay. Phone,
Phone,
wallet,
wallet,
keys,
keys,
charger,
charger,
water bottle.
water bottle.
Great.
Wait, I can't find my keys.
Oh no, again?
Yes, I can't find my keys.
Okay, don't panic.
I am panicking a little.
Check your bag.
Not in my bag.
Check your pocket.
Not in my pocket.
Check the table.
Oh, they are on the table.
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I feel ready.
Good.
But wait, I need to charge my phone.
How much?
5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Thank you.
No problem. While we wait, let's talk.
Okay.
How did you sleep?
Not great. I woke up twice.
Same.
Why did you wake up?
I heard a noise.
You heard a noise?
Yes, I heard a noise outside.
Oh, scary?
It was not scary. It was just a cat.
A cat?
Yes, a cat was walking.
Okay, that is funny.
Another quick question. Choose one. Quiet morning or busy morning?
Busy morning.
Today is a busy morning.
Yes, because we are a little late.
True.
Okay, my phone has enough battery.
Great. Now breakfast.
Yes, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want eggs.
Eggs sound good.
Do you want toast too?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will make eggs.
Thank you. I will make toast.
Great teamwork.
I open the fridge.
I take out eggs.
I take out butter.
I crack the eggs.
I put bread in the toaster.
I fry the eggs.
I set the table.
Nice.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Okay, I pour coffee.
Thank you.
I pour milk.
Perfect. This smells good.
Yes, coffee smells amazing.
Coffee is my morning friend.
Same.
Quick choice. Sweet breakfast or salty breakfast?
Salty.
Salty.
Eggs are perfect then.
Yes.
The toast is ready.
The eggs are ready.
Great, let's eat.
Let's eat. How is it?
It is good.
Simple breakfast is the best.
Yes, simple and fast.
Do you eat fruit in the morning?
Sometimes I like bananas.
I like apples.
Do you want fruit today?
Maybe later.
Okay.
How was your day today?
I have work today.
I have work too.
I have a meeting at 10.
I have a meeting at 9.
Oh, you are busy.
Yes, I need to be on time.
Me too.
What is your plan after work?
I want to rest.
Same.
I want a calm evening.
I want a calm evening too.
Today will be long.
Yes, but we can do it.
I like this line. We can do it.
Yes, simple and strong.
We can do it.
Great. Are you done eating?
Almost.
We should clean up fast.
Yes, I wash my plate.
I wash my plate too.
I wipe the table.
I throw away trash.
Good.
Now last check before we leave.
Yes, this part is important.
Phone,
Phone,
wallet,
wallet,
keys,
keys,
bag,
bag,
jacket.
jacket.
Great. Are you ready to go?
Yes. Wait a second.
What?
I need lip balm.
Okay, quick.
Found it.
Great. Now I will turn off the lights.
I will check the window.
Lights off?
Window closed.
Great.
Did you lock the door?
Not yet.
Please lock it.
I will. I locked the door.
Did you lock it?
Yes, I locked it.
Perfect.
Now commute.
How do you go to work today?
I take the train.
I take the bus.
Nice.
How long does it take?
It takes about 15 minutes to walk to the station.
That is not bad. How about you?
My bus stop is close. It takes 5 minutes.
Lucky you.
But the bus is sometimes late.
True.
Quick choice. Bus or train?
Bus.
Train.
Great. 2 choices. Okay, we walk outside.
It is cold.
Yes, I'm happy I have my jacket.
Me too.
The air feels fresh.
Fresh air is nice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I like saying that to people.
Me too. It feels friendly. Look, the bus stop is there.
Yes, I see it.
And the station is that way.
Okay, so we will separate soon.
Yes, but let's practice some lines before we go.
Good idea.
If you are at the bus stop, you can say, "Excuse me, is this the bus to downtown?"
Nice.
Or you can say, "What time is the next bus?"
Yes.
Very useful.
And if the bus is late, you can say, the bus is late today.
Or, traffic is bad today.
Great.
If you are on the bus, you can say, is this seat free?
Yes.
Or, sorry, can I pass?
Good.
Or, thank you.
Simple and polite. Now I want to add a small real-life moment.
What is it?
Imagine you are late. What do you say?
I say, I'm sorry, I'm late.
Perfect.
Or, traffic is bad.
Yes, but keep it simple.
Traffic is bad today.
Great.
Oh no, my bus is not here.
It is late?
Yes, the bus is late today.
That happens.
I feel nervous.
Breathe. It will come.
Okay,
While we wait, tell me your full morning in simple English.
okay. I wake up at 6:20. I get up slowly. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I eat eggs and toast. I take the bus.
Nice. Very clear.
Thanks.
Now you. Say your morning routine too.
Yes, you.
I wake up at 6. I take a shower. I drink coffee. I pack my bag. I walk to the station. I take the train.
Great!
See? You can do it in short sentences.
You don't need long sentences.
Short is strong.
The bus is coming.
Great timing.
Yes.
Before you go, one more quick practice.
Okay,
I will say a question. You answer fast. Ready?
ready.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:20.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great.
That was fun.
Yes, fast practice helps you speak faster.
And it feels real. Okay, I need to get on the bus.
Yes.
Have a good day, Kay.
You too, Bunie.
See you later.
See you. Okay, friends, Bunie is gone. Now I will go to the train station. I want to keep talking with you. Let's continue the morning routine with me for a bit. I walk to the station. It is busy on the street. People are walking fast. Some people are on bikes. Some people are in cars. I hear many sounds. I feel awake now. I arrive at the station. I check the time. My train is at 7:10. I have 5 minutes. I can relax a little. If you are at the station, you can say, "Where is platform 2? Excuse me, where is platform 2? Or you can say, "Is this train going to city center?" I buy a ticket. I wait. I stand in line. The line is long today, but it is okay. Then I sit and wait. I see people with coffee. I see people with bags. I see students. I see workers. Now imagine I meet Bunie again here. Maybe she got off the bus and came to the station. Let's do a quick surprise meeting.
Kay,
Bunie, what are you doing here?
my bus was too slow, so I changed my plan.
You changed your plan?
Yes, I will take the train with you today.
Great.
But I feel a little stressed.
It's okay. You are here now.
Yes.
Do you have your ticket?
Not yet.
Let's buy it fast.
Okay.
Are you hungry again?
A little.
Do you want a snack?
Maybe a small snack.
Okay, let's get a small snack.
Thank you.
I want a bottle of water, please.
Or, I want a sandwich, please.
Yes, simple.
I want a bottle of water, please.
And I want a small sandwich, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I feel better now.
Great.
Water helps me.
Me too. Now we wait for the train together.
Yes.
Bunie, tell me your morning again, but add one more detail.
Okay. I wake up at 6:20. I feel sleepy. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I get dressed fast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee. I go to the bus stop. The bus is late, so I take the train.
Perfect. That is a real story.
Yes, it feels real.
Because it is real.
Now you.
Okay. I wake up at 6. I turn off my alarm. I stretch in bed. I open the curtains. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I put on a blue shirt. I pack my bag. I drink coffee. I walk to the station. I take the train.
Great.
Friends, do you see the pattern?
Short sentences, one action.
You can connect them like a story.
And you can change one detail each day.
That is how you get better.
The train is coming.
Great.
Let's get on.
Let's go. We get on the train.
We find seats.
We sit down.
It is a little crowded.
But it is okay.
I like the window seat.
Me too. If you want to sit, you can say, "Excuse me, is this seat free?"
Yes.
Or you can say, "Can I sit here?"
Great. Kay, I have a question.
Yes.
How can I say tôi vội quá in simple English?
You can say, "I'm in a hurry."
I'm in a hurry.
Perfect.
And tôi trễ rồi is I'm late.
Yes.
I'm late.
Great. Now I want to give you a small challenge. Make one sentence right now. Use "I'm in a hurry, so I..."
I'm in a hurry, so I eat fast.
Great.
I'm in a hurry, so I walk fast.
Perfect.
I'm in a hurry, so I take a taxi.
Nice. Very real. Friends, you can write your sentence in the comments too.
Yes, write one sentence.
Now, when you arrive at work or school, what do you say?
I say, good morning.
Yes.
And maybe, how are you?
Yes.
Or, how was your morning?
That one is great. Let's do a quick office morning talk.
Okay.
Good morning, Bunie.
Good morning, Kay. How was your morning?
It was busy. I woke up late.
Oh no, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm just a little tired.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate toast and eggs.
Nice. I skipped breakfast.
Really? Are you hungry now?
A little. I will eat a snack later.
Good idea.
Did you take the bus?
No, I took the train.
Me too. My bus was late.
That happens.
Yes, but we are here now.
Yes. Let's have a good day.
Yes, we can do it.
That is a simple workplace conversation.
Very normal. Very useful.
Now I promised you a copy-paste morning script.
Yes, here it is.
Listen and copy this. You can say it every day. I wake up at 6:30. I get up slowly. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I get dressed. I eat a simple breakfast and drink coffee. Then I pack my bag, lock the door, and go to work.
That is it. Simple.
You can change the time.
You can change the food.
You can change the transport.
And you have a full routine in English.
Now, one last comment challenge. Write one sentence in the comments. I wake up at, and I...
Or write two sentences if you want. I wake up at, I drink.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Please like and subscribe to Mr. K English channel.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.